how to fix Instagram filter not working. If you've been trying to apply the Instagram filter, whether it is on stories or on a certain post, first of all, make sure that your internet connection is stable and make sure that you're using Wi-Fi instead of cellular data because cellular data might not load all of the filters correctly. Second of all, come to your profile page and tap the three lines from the top right hand side. Scroll down and look for the data saving feature. So here I can go to data usage and media quality. Make sure you have turned off data saver because when you have turned on data saver, all of the filters won't load as it will prevent from downloading them. So that's why you want to have that disabled. Now if it's still not working, if you're using on Android phone, long press the Instagram app icon, tap the I button to come to the app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device. And from here you can go to storage where you can clear the cache files and you can also clear its data. Now clearing the data will log you out of your account and reset the app completely. So only if you know your credentials, make sure to clear the data. If you're using iPhone, however, you can just try to offload the app. And now you can go to your Play Store or your App Store on iPhone, check if the Instagram app has an update. And if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.